Welcome to the Create It with Katrina Julia show by Fit Life Creation, where we talk all the things on faith, wellness, marketing, business, and travel so you create a life and business you love. I understand the struggle. I've transformed every area of life, from fear to faith, self-hate to love, corporate to calling, and bondage to freedom, including transitioning from over 7 industries and more. You will learn all the things to create, transform, and inspire a life and business you love. So let's create it.
Welcome to Fall into November with this event lineup. I am so excited to share with you guys the Create It Like a Boss online events and what's coming up live. And if you haven't subscribed to my newsletter yet, definitely check out the link in bio so you don't miss a thing to create it. So, November online, and you can find this via the link in bio and the masterclass link too. So, one, I recommend you jumpstart with the 75 plus tips and tools. They are both on the link in bio. And when you visit in the link for Eventbrite, you can register and get all the goodies in your email too. Then I recommend you jumpstart and take it deeper and don't sleep on the last 90 days to 2024 that's on my Instagram. And then you can magnify that intensity and that momentum with taking my 30-day challenge. To help you stay focused and help you stay organized, you can register for the 30-day challenge so you get reminders on Eventbrite. And then you can also subscribe to my YouTube channel at Limitless Global Girl and head on over to the playlist, the 30-day challenge. On November 9th, Marketing Like a Boss is dropping on Eventbrite, and that includes different insights into marketing and a toolkit, which stay tuned because I'm sharing on an upcoming episode on my Black Friday Ultimate Toolkit for creators and CEOs to create it. That is free and a preview into a masterclass, a preview into our Create It Monthly, a preview into what it's like to work with me as your CMO and or CMO, Chief Marketing Officer / CFO. November 14th, when you register on Eventbrite, the Barbie Hit workout is there. It'll send you a reminder, and you can also see it on my YouTube channel too. November 17th, I have a Launch Like a Boss class. 5 steps to launch like a boss from B2B, business to business to consumer. I'm sharing all the things on how to create it with email, with AI, with ChatGPT, with IO. You get a preview into the class when you click the masterclass in the link in the show notes. And then there's different options to upgrade your experience. Like Beyonce says, let me upgrade ya. And then November 28th, I have a masterclass on 7 ways to make 7K and a course. And then if you decide all these ways to create it is so incredible that you want to jump in to my Create It Monthly program, then I have a live masterclass on November 30th too, where likely we are going to talk about the 90 days to 2024 with a focus on both wellness, mindset, and going in strong into the last part of the year, and on what your business may look like, ways to create it, what happened on Black Friday, and then how to still close out December strong, regardless of what you may see, and really, really focus on faith and the unseen and keeping that energy and that spirit and that discipline up. So these events will empower, encourage, and inspire you from wellness to wealth to engaging experiences. We've got it all. I've already dialed into the events in December, and you can discover the latest tips, tools, and tech. And don't miss out on opportunity to connect and create with creatives. And definitely follow on Eventbrite so you don't miss a thing. And then on top of all the online events that I just shared, let's talk about live events, from workshops to contentations to transformative retreats and even the magic of co-living. We've got it covered with Create It Like a Boss. And if you want something private with a private experience, as some of the properties that I and we partner with around the world, definitely reach out. You can see so much goodness at fitlifecreation.com/retreats, and or just go to the link in the show notes and then go down to retreats as well. And we dive into in person with wellness, marketing, business, and travel, everything to create it like a boss and create a life and business you love with freedom. So, leveling up your life live and creating anywhere and everywhere in the world is such a vibe. And don't miss out on all these ways to connect, create with community. So if you haven't yet, leave a review on the show. Would love, love, love to shout you out. Tag and drop your Instagram handle so that I can do that. And then if you share on stories and tag me at Katrina Julia Fit at Fit Life Creation, I will reshare and you'll be entered into a giveaway. This helps others know about the show and help creators to CEOs, #create it. Side note, speaking of live events, I am testing a live New Year's retreat and taking a leap of faith with properties as well as with a destination, and calling in creators to CEOs to create it in Bali. Bali has been on my list for a while. So I'm sending out the intention that incredible like-minded women will be co-creating in Bali. I may expand this into a co-live. And then you can definitely check out all of the previous retreats that I've run in Cuba, in Costa Rica, and London, and other destination at the link in the link in bio, and then travel and or retreats and or community. It's listed on all three. And as always, create, transform, and inspire because you are born to.
Chats on faith, wellness, money, marketing, business, and travel, so you create a life and business you already. Head on over to the blog, the podcast, and the freebies to jumpstart your transformation. If you're ready to dive into the online courses, the live events, or the retreat, and if you want to create with our community on an even deeper level, definitely check out our internships, our influencer collaborations, management, and brand engagement. Let's create it.